Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make something new and exciting, something I've never done before. We are going to be making some pineapple and shrimp kebabs. We're even going to fruit it up a little bit. We're going to add some apple to it. And on top of it, we're going to glaze it up and put a little bit of peach sauce on it. So you guys stay tuned. We'll show you how we get these pineapple and shrimp kebabs made up JP style. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get this show started, guys. We're gonna start off first with a nice crispy apple, diced up really nice. Get our other ingredients lined up using the pineapple, the shrimp, and the scallops. Put them on a skewer, and they are ready to go for the grill. Next thing we gotta do is get this Weber Performer fired up. We're gonna use our slow and sear with a whole chimney of Kingsford briquettes. This is going to help us get the temperatures up to 400 degrees, which is where we want to be. Get these coals scattered around nice, get this grill grate put on, and we are ready to go. Oh, let's not forget that we got to put a little bit of canola oil on our grill grate so our shrimp doesn't get stuck. Let's do it, guys. We're about ready to get these kebabs on the grill, guys, but before we do that, we're gonna spice it up just a little bit, and we're gonna be using our sexy chicken, our JP sexy chicken. Sexy chicken is not just for chicken, guys. You can use it on just about anything, and it goes perfect with seafood. So we're gonna put a little bit of this sexy chicken on it. Oh yeah, this smells so good. We're gonna get our Weber Performer up to 400 degrees. And you know, because it's not going to take long to get these kebabs, you know, cooked up. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of our JP sauce on it. Sauce it up a little bit, guys. Never hurts. Oh yeah, that is going to be fantastic. We're going to get these turned over, do the same thing on the other side, and then they'll be ready for the grill. There we go, guys. Let's go ahead and get our kebabs on here. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. I love it. There we go. We're gonna come back in about 10 minutes, give them a little flip, and it shouldn't take too long. You know, probably about a good 25 minutes, not too long. It's been a good 10-12 minutes. Let's take a look at this shrimp. It's time to flip them. Ooh, yeah. Maybe rotate them a little bit too. Let's see. Oh man. Gotta be careful. I won't get burnt. There we go. That's a lot easier. But they're about ready. It don't take long to cook this shrimp up. And we'll get this one back in there. There we go. Give it about another 10 minutes and these things will be ready to eat. Let's go ahead and get these shrimp kebabs out, guys. They are done. They've been in here for a good 20 minutes and they are looking fantastic. Oh man, look at that. That's a beauty. Apple is nice and toasty. Now be careful with these metal ones. Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. The scallops are really nice. So what I did was a combination. I did pineapple, shrimp, apple, scallop. And I went all the way through that way, pineapple, shrimp, apple, scallop. And that gives us a nice little fruity taste with our shrimp. But these shrimp are done. And it's time to eat. It's time to give these kebabs a good taste testing. Man, do they look good. I'm excited. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm just gonna make sure it's not too hot. I'm gonna burn myself. All right, we'll start with the one on the end. We'll take the shrimp. There we go. And Oh yeah, let's see. Oh my god. I have scallops in forever. That is good. Time for this apple. I can taste the spicy from the sexy chicken. That's good. Just right. Now time for the shrimp. Oh my god. That's absolutely delicious. Let me give me a little bite of this pineapple. See what it's all about. Pineapple and shrimp, guys, ain't no better combination. You put a little bit of that sexy chicken, which is good for everything, and that peach sauce is coming through with the flavors. It is absolutely fantastic. But I'm done. This is my presentation for the week. I hope you guys like this video. Do me a favor. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button over there. I would really appreciate it if you take it into consideration, and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends. But besides that, we're done. I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you on the next cookout.